pancreatic cancer is one of our focus because this is disease with a very poor prognosis. And in our study, we find pancreatic cancer, even with in the era of immune checkpoint inhibitor, but still do not respond to the immune checkpoint inhibitor treatment. So, but we find with our vaccine treatment, we can prime the tumor microenvironment and make it more sensitive to the immune checkpoint inhibitor treatment. And we're currently doing the clinical trials to validate this concept. And we have a clinical trials of testing the combination of the vaccine therapy and anti-PD-1 antibody therapy across all the stage of the pancreatic cancer through 4 clinical trials. We find untreated pancreatic cancer do not express the PD-L1 and also lack of the effector cells infiltration. And after the vaccine treatment, we see the formation of the intratumor lymphatic, and essentially in every patient. And we also see the upregulation of the PD-L1 signal in this lymphatic. And we tested the concept, the combination of the anti-PD-1 and the vaccine in the animal models, and we see the synergistic effect between the antibody against the target PD-1 and the vaccine therapy. And that's where we think how the vaccine may prime the tumor microenvironment. We have one ongoing clinical trials, to test the combination of vaccine and nivolumab with anti-PD-1 antibody, and that study is still ongoing. And today, I showed one of my patients. She responded to the combination therapy, and however, it's take about 4 and 6 months before she had a response. And we also had a published study and combined with another immune checkpoint inhibitor, ipilimumab, with the vaccine, and we find 3 patients had a radiographic objective response, and another 4 patients have tumor marker response. And so one of the patients naturally had a long-term disease-free survival, had already been 5.5 years out of the recurrent metastatic disease, and still disease-free, and after stopping the treatment for 4 years. Yes, so I just mentioned although we haven't really finishing the trials with vaccine in combination with nivolumab, but as I mentioned, the cases of my patient actually take about 4 to 6 months to have the response. And apparently this is a very aggressive disease. Many patients were unfortunately taken off the study just after a month or 2 months of treatment due to the disease progression. And so I believe the next step is to identify a target that can further enhance the anti-tumor therapy, and also make these patients respond to the treatment quicker. And so more patients, I believe, will benefit from the immunotherapy.